Yes. Good morning, Sima. So we are here to discuss about your story because you could can be instrumental for many students and youngsters who get scared and are in examination phobia और बहुत डर लगता है उनको और वो कुछ भी नहीं कर पाते हैं और जो कर सकते हैं वो भी भूल जाते हैं. So how this session and the switch words has helped you to come out of this?
Uh, I feel like the switch words has like made me like like shanto, calm down, like restart in a way. Because like from my experience of doing like having like working so hard and then not being rewarded for all that hard work, I feel like it did have a huge effect on me to do anything like with math or science related. So like वो डर मुझे ingrained हो गया था बहुत. And I'm the person to push everything down and keep moving. I'm that person. Don't think about it, just push it down, push it down.
Hmm.
So opening it up, I did not enjoy opening it all up, but I think it was necessary. And the switch words, especially at night time, when like the आपका mind थोड़ा सा घूमता है, ये सोचता है everything. I feel like it helped me kept me grounded and back to the big like just calm down, focus. Because वो experience मुझे shake कर रहा था बहुत. But I'm like, I need to move forward from it because that cannot be the defining factor of who I am. Especially like a school assignment or grade should not be the defining factor of who you are as a person. So I
Hmm.
feel like वो सोच रहे तो अच्छे होते like वो best है. I feel like मेरे अच्छे होते calm down because like to focus and calm down. Even though I'm like I always do before I go to bed, and I feel like it like relaxes me. I'm like okay, I'm ready for the next day. I'm ready to start again tomorrow. Excited and like hopeful like things will work out for me.
Hmm.
Mm.
So, the first day when we started with this session of switch words and healing yourself with different modalities, what was the experience very first day? And with each day, we were reaching new level. So, what was that?
First दिन मुझे नहीं अच्छा मुझे बहुत नहीं अच्छा लगा. The amount of crying I did, I hated it so much. I think
Hmm.
because I felt so uncomfortable. I was like, I don't want to talk about this. I want to move on. I have too much to do. But that whole repressed feeling, it still went with me everywhere. It got more deeper and deeper and was waiting for a moment for it. Any moment it would just come all out without unrealizing. I mean, I think one of the thoughts is I could see the moment seeking through to other days. I think it got better. It got better. I think with like first day, the like of acceptance, like say it out loud, like say what happened, and like repeating the same words all over and over. It was like finally making me accept it. Like okay, this happened. It's not fake. You this happened, and I feel
Hmm.
like to accept it, then we can move forward from it. So I feel like
Hmm.
मुझे बहुत पसंद नहीं आएगा saying all those words, but I'm like I think वो चाहिए था to move forward, and
Hmm.
slowly got better. Like the pain got less intense. But like every day felt better and better. Like it was work is being done and everything for me to be a better student at the end or be a better person to handle my like emotions.
Hmm.
Mm.
So you say that the first day was horrible for you and you were not liking that everything was asked to you to repeat and go into that situation again and again, which was not a very pleasant and happy situation for you. So when we go into that situation back again, because people fear, people don't like to get into that situation. अगर आपकी लाइफ में कुछ भी गलत है ना, आप उससे भागते हो. Get that? आप अच्छी चीजें फील करना चाहते हो, बुरी सी पर आप करते क्या उल्टा, आप उस सिचुएशन में ऑलरेडी रह रहे हो और आप छोड़ना नहीं चाह रहे हो. So that emotion which is not good for you and which is holding you back has to be released. And only way through is to revisit and to release. When you revisit that, you release it.
हाँ जी.
है ना? तो आपके साथ भी यही हुआ. इतना टाइम लगा और आपने बहुत सारी पेशेंस दिखाई. बहुत ज़्यादा अंदर कुछ था, लेकिन सब निकल चुका है. So, how you are feeling today? We will be working on new issues because I think life coaching is about, as you need a coach in your life to take you to the next level, life coaching is to coach you in your life because every day you will be facing something or the other in your life. है ना? And when you go to your parents, maybe they are not trained for that. You will go for some disease to the doctor or to the parent to take the medicine. Where will you go?
The doctor.
Why not parents? Why not your elders, your sisters or brothers or your elderly? Because they are not qualified to help you. They are not qualified. Same way, why life coaches are needed here to help you out is to help you to take you to the particular situation and then help you and hammer you deep down there to take out of the situation and to know to ask challenging questions which may not be good for you कि क्या पूछ रहे हैं ये लोग, but then you get into the insight, you get the insight out of yourself कि नहीं ये ऐसा है, ये हमने निकाला. So I think you are sorted now with whatever failure you felt in your own eyes, but it is okay. Everybody goes through, and marks are just numbers. In the long run, it doesn't matter. As I told you, like whatever I did in my 10th class, who knows? How does it matter? कोई मुझसे पूछता भी नहीं 10th में कितने marks आए थे. Did you come to me just because you knew that I was a first division holder in 10th? You did you come to that? इसलिए आए आप मेरे पास कि मार्क्स पूछे आपने मेरे? नहीं पूछे ना?
Right.
फिर क्यों आए? So do you think that marks matter to you? No. Did you once even ask कि सीमा मैम आपके कितने नंबर आए थे?
नहीं,
क्यों नहीं पूछे?
you like useless है, like अभी के लिए useless है.
यूजलेस है ना, तो नंबर तो
जी.
यूजलेस ही होते हैं लाइफ में. What knowledge you're gaining day to day in life, and what how you're facing life, how courageously you are facing life, and how you're able to deal with the situation is more important than any of the numbers. Is that clear in your head?
हाँ जी.
है ना? So I'm asking you, I'm here, I am your life coach. Now what happens to you? You never asked me किसी का मैम आपके 9th में कितने नंबर थे, 10th में कितने नंबर थे? Nobody will ask you after you finish your college. Will somebody ask you? Somebody care? It is how you're leading yourself, how confident you are, how you are performing. That is important, and it doesn't depend on the numbers. So thank you, Simar, for giving your feedback and helping everybody of your age that numbers is just number. It doesn't matter in the long run. What matters is how confident and how courageous you are to get out of the situation and lead a happy life. Thank you so much.
No, thank you
Any
so
message
much.
you want to give to the youngsters of your age?
No, thank you, auntie. Thank you.
Any message you want to give?
No, I will say one thing. I feel like make friend थी क्लास में ही, वो इसने पास करे, मैंने नहीं करा था. But मैं like डर लग रहा था बात करने के लिए इसको, कि इसको पता हो जाएगा मैंने नहीं हुआ. But like मैंने बात करा, like, and I felt better. Like I felt fine going up to it. I even passed the building and I was okay. I was terrified to pass the building again. वो बोले
ठीक है ना?
stupid सी. हाँ जी.
हाँ, कितनी सी बात है. So thank you so much for being here. And I wish you all the success in your life, in your exams, and you come out with flying colors and be strong. Thank you.